Imagine a world where an advanced civilization thrived, only to vanish in a single day and night of cataclysmic destruction. Was Atlantis just a myth, or did it really exist? Join me on this epic journey through time and across continents as we dive into the enduring mystery of Atlantis. From the ancient writings of Plato to cutting-edge archaeological discoveries, we'll uncover the tantalizing clues that could reveal the truth about this legendary lost city. Prepare to explore the depths of history, science, and speculation as we seek to solve one of the greatest enigmas of all time. Atlantis was said to have been founded by the god Poseidon, who fell in love with a mortal woman named Cleito. He created a palace for her on a hill in the center of the island. The island was described as having a series of concentric rings of water and land, with the central plain surrounded by mountains. It was rich in natural resources, including metals like orichalcum, and boasted a wealth of flora and fauna. The Atlanteans were depicted as highly advanced, with sophisticated engineering, architecture, and navigation skills. They built impressive temples, bridges, and harbors. Atlantis was ruled by kings, each governing a part of the land, and all descending from Poseidon's 10 sons. It was a powerful naval empire that held sway over parts of Europe and Africa. According to Plato, the Atlanteans eventually became morally corrupt and greedy, straying from their virtuous origins. This led to their downfall. The gods, angered by the Atlanteans' greedy behaviors, decided to punish them. The Atlanteans were struck by cataclysmic earthquakes and floods, causing it to sink into the ocean in a single day and night of misfortune. Many scholars and enthusiasts have speculated about the historical basis of Atlantis, suggesting it might have been inspired by real locations and events, such as the Minoan civilization on Crete and Thera, right now known as Santorini, which suffered a catastrophic volcanic eruption around 1600 BCE. The story of Atlantis has had a profound impact on literature, pop culture, and pseudoscience. It has inspired countless books, movies, documentaries, and theories about lost civilizations. Despite numerous theories and expeditions, no definitive archaeological evidence has been found to confirm the existence of Atlantis. Proposed locations range from the Mediterranean to the Caribbean and beyond. The search for Atlantis, the mythical city first described by the ancient Greek philosopher Plato, has fascinated scholars, adventurers, and the public for centuries. In recent years, this quest has seen a blend of advanced technology, new archaeological methods, and renewed scholarly interest, leading to several intriguing developments and ongoing explorations. One of the most significant advances in the search for Atlantis has been the use of underwater archaeology and sonar mapping. These technologies allow researchers to scan the ocean floor with unprecedented detail, revealing structures and anomalies that could indicate ancient human activity. High-resolution sonar can detect submerged ruins, while submersible robots equipped with cameras can explore these areas up close. Satellite imaging has provided another crucial tool in the search. Researchers use high-resolution images to identify potential sites that could match descriptions of Atlantis. This technology helps pinpoint underwater topography and man-made structures that might otherwise go unnoticed. Many researchers believe that if Atlantis existed, it was located somewhere in the Mediterranean or Aegean seas. This theory is based on the geographical details provided by Plato. Sites such as Santorini, Crete, and Cyprus have been extensively explored due to their history of advanced ancient civilizations and catastrophic events, such as the eruption of the Thera volcano, which some hypothesize could be linked to the Atlantis story. Another prominent theory places Atlantis in the Atlantic Ocean, as Plato described it as being beyond the Pillars of Hercules, modern-day Strait Gibraltar. Explorations in this region have focused on underwater structures near the Azores and Canary Islands, where some researchers believe remnants of an ancient civilization could be submerged. In more unconventional theories, some researchers have proposed locations in the Caribbean and even South America. Proponents of these theories point to submerged structures off the coasts of Cuba and the Bahamas, such as the so-called Bimini Road, a series of underwater formations that some believe could be remnants of Atlantis. In recent years, a series of archaeological expeditions in Santorini have provided new insights. The island, once home to the Minoan civilization, experienced a massive volcanic eruption around 1600 BCE. Excavations have uncovered advanced infrastructure and evidence of a sudden catastrophic event that aligns with Plato's description of Atlantis' sudden disappearance. Another exciting development came from underwater research near the Azores using advanced sonar and robotic submersibles. Researchers have mapped potential ancient structures on the ocean floor. While conclusive evidence remains elusive, the findings have sparked further interest and ongoing investigations. The controversial but intriguing discovery off the coast of Cuba involved what some researchers claim are megalithic structures submerged at significant depths. Using submersibles and underwater cameras, teams have documented these formations, leading to speculation about their origin and potential connection to the Atlantis myth. Despite these advances, the search for Atlantis remains highly debated within the academic community. Many scholars argue that Atlantis was purely a literary device used by Plato to convey philosophical ideas, rather than a real location. Others believe that while the story may be based on real events or places, it has been embellished and altered over millennia. The quest for Atlantis is far from over. New technologies such as improved underwater drones and more precise sonar imaging continue to enhance our ability to explore the ocean's depths. Interdisciplinary collaborations between archaeologists, geologists, and historians have contributed to a more holistic understanding of potential sites. Future expeditions are planned to further investigate promising locations, combining historical texts with cutting-edge technology. Whether Atlantis is ever found or remains a tantalizing legend, the search itself drives important advancements in our understanding of ancient civilizations and the mysteries of the ocean. The search for Atlantis today is a dynamic and multifaceted endeavor. It combines modern technology, historical analysis, and a spirit of adventure that keeps this ancient legend alive in the modern imagination. As our journey through the legend and the search for Atlantis comes to a close, one thing is clear. The story of Atlantis continues to captivate and inspire. Whether it's the possibility of an advanced ancient civilization, the dramatic tales of natural disasters, or the enduring human quest for knowledge and discovery, Atlantis remains an enduring mystery that bridges myth and history. While definitive proof of its existence remains elusive, the ongoing search brings us closer to understanding our past and fuels our imagination about what lies hidden beneath the waves. The legend of Atlantis challenges us to keep exploring, questioning, and dreaming. Who knows? The next great discovery might just be around the corner. Until next time, keep loving history and stay curious.